If you want to know how to change values shown in a map using drop-down menu, then this video is for you. Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hina. Today I'm going to show you how to change values on map using parameters and calculated fields in Tableau. So without wasting any time, let's go and learn it. I have already opened my Tableau public and also connected the sample superstore dataset. First of all, I will create a map. For that, drag and drop the steps into the field. Change the mark type into the map. Now let's go and add the sum of sets into the color for now. And also into the label, add the state's name and also sum of sets. It's just for now. And now I just want to change the values that are shown in this map by simply using a drop-down menu from sales to profits and from profits to sales based on what I need. So let's go and create our parameter. For that, click on this arrow and create parameter. I will rename it into values. Change the data type into string and allowable values into list. Now add your values. I want sales and also profits. Then click on OK. Here you can see that this is the default place where parameters will be shown at the bottom end of this data pane. Click on this arrow and show parameter. Here I have the drop down sales and profits. When I click on sales and profits now, it's not changing anything because I haven't used this parameter till now. So let's go and use this parameter. Mostly we can use the parameters in two places, in the calculated fields, in the filters, and in the reference lines. Let's go and create our calculated field. Here, click on this arrow, create calculated field. I will name it map values. I'll use the case function here. I'll type the name of the parameter here, values. Then enter. When my value is sales, then it will show me the sales. I will drag and drop the sum of sales field in here. Again, when it is profit, then it should show me the profit column. I will drag and drop the profits field here and end. You can see that here it says the calculation is valid. Click on apply and OK. Now, instead of sum of sales, I want to show the map values here and the colors. Also, I want to change the sum of sales to map values. Drag and drop it on top of the sum of sales and it will automatically change. Now let's go and see the changes. If I change it to the profit, it will automatically change and show me the profit values. If I change it into sales, it will automatically go and change it into the sum of sales. Now one other thing that I can do is I want to change this sheet name also and reflect the values that are in the parameter. Click on insert here and parameters value, apply and OK. Now if I change into the profits, you can see it will change it to profit. If I change it into sales, it will change automatically into sales. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.